Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we have discussed edit profile, and in this video we can continue change password because of dashboard orders and edit profile is done. So remaining work is like change password. Do you want to change your password? So you need to add a old password. After you can add new password and confirm password, and after we can show like a message profile update, not means password update, not update, whatever there I will cover in this video. So before we can start this video, you are new in the channel or in this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website irsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here. Okay, and do you want to develop as a freelancer work? Just contact Telegram, WhatsApp and Skype. Okay, so let's start now. So first we can click on the change password. To change password inside like code there, we need to remove and we need to create as a form here. So just go to resources, inside go to views, inside you can see it users, inside you can see it like a change password. Now here we need to remove this form, we don't need any more form. Now we can go to edit profile again, and edit profile inside the message, success message and form there we can copy and we can put here. Okay, now we don't need this is the, so just remove. And here we don't need like address 1 to up all thing, just remove here. Okay, also now here you can change, means we need to 1 minute we have removed like simple things, so just you can remove all thing about also. Now you can leave it emails and you can remove the rows. So here you can change like old password, and here also need to provide a name. So just remove this one, we don't need anymore. So just you can remove value. Here you can provide like old password, and here also you can type is equal to change like a password. Okay, here you can make like a required, and same thing you can add a star here. Okay, now here we need to change new password and confirm password, bottom one. And here also you can change like a update password. You can see it. Let's remove this some space so you can see it proper way. And here already started like a form, action is a blank, so means same URL whatever there inside a get method, so we can use same as a post method. But first we can sort out like a form. Here we can make like a new password, so just you can column you can use here like a passwords, and we don't want to use value, so just you can remove. And here you can change password, and also you can change like text equal to password. Also here you can change text equal to password. Here you can change like confirm password, and here you can remove the value we don't need because of we have copy. This is the reason. Here you can change to C password like a confirm password. Let's refresh the page so we can check page is ready, means form is ready, not ready. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So 100% ready because we have a copy paste these reasons. So just make it O is a capital, I think O is a small, this is the reasons. Just you can make old password is a capital. Okay, now here is type password, old password, password and C password means confirm password. Here also we did like a update password. So here the action is equal blank, means whatever URL here there, this URL can access. So what we can do, just we can go to routes inside web.php, and here you can make duplicate, and here you can change get to post, and here you can make like a update password like a change password, so update password because of we need to update inside database. Okay, now user controller inside we need to create a new function update password. Just to go to app http controller, inside you can see it like a user controller. Just scroll down, so here you can see it like a change password. Same thing we can do it here, new function update password. Let's make a request $request, and I can make dd all. Okay, let's go back again and we can check because of routes also done as a post method, and here also we have done as a function inside user controller. So let's go back again, refresh the page here, and I will add a here password like 1 2 3 4 5 6 I will add. And also whatever do you want to like you can add here, and here I can add like this. Okay, whatever do you want to like, because we need to check all the condition. Just click on the update password. I think we need to make more column, like a 200 here, like change password. Here you can change like a 150. I think it's look like good. This reasons after not working, so we can make 200, so don't worry. So you can see it here is a form data you are getting like old password, so we need to check inside database this password is correct or not correct. After we can make like change password and confirm password is like the same, so we need to update, otherwise we can told him like old password not there. So we can check all condition here. So first we need to get the data dollar user, same thing we will get data here, like get single we have already created inside a users model. I can show you. Okay, users inside you can see it here, get users, get single, sorry. So here is already their function, so this function return the data here. So first condition we need to check old password is matched or not matched. So if hash check, sorry I make a capital, this is the reason, hash check dollar request old password comma dollar user password, means user table inside whatever password there, this password is matching, so it's going to inside, otherwise need to go else part and return redirect with error. So just copy above one, and here you can put directly, and here you can pass like error old password does not match, is not correct, whatever you can make like this message, old password is not correct, not correct, otherwise not match, whatever do you want to like you can do it. Okay, let me check correct spelling is good cannot good, sometime C use, sometime you use, this is the reason. Okay, correct. Okay, so this is the old password, first check inside database. Okay, suppose this condition is true, like a first condition. Okay, is not going to else part, so here we need to check another condition, if dollar request password is equal to confirm password, like a C password, and going to inside, otherwise going to else part. So else part we also fire another back message like error message, password and confirm password not match, like a new password you can type new passwords and confirm password does not match, whatever condition, means whatever message do you want to like you can do it your end. I just like a simple message, new password and confirm password does not match. Let's go to change password, and here you can see new password and confirm password. Okay, suppose is match, so it's going to here dollar user is means a password hash make dollar request password, and after we can make like a user save, and here we can make return redirect with success message. So let's copy bottom one, and I can put here, and after I can change here like a message to success message, and here I can change password successfully updated. Okay, so this is the update password logic done. Let's test all things working not working, and here we already include like a message layouts message. Suppose I am going to resources, here you can see layout, inside you can see it message, so here is a error message also there, and here success message also there, you can see it here. Okay, so let's test one by one, it's not working or working. So right now you just press Ctrl F5 because of password and confirm password not matches, but old password is 12345 so it's working. Just press Ctrl F5, and here is a hash not declared, so we need to declare our hash like use hash. Just go back again, press Ctrl F5 and resend form, so it's going to back, and here you can see error new password and confirm password does not match. Suppose I can make like old password like this, and I can make confirm password whatever, and I just click on the update password button again, so you can see it here like a old password does not correct, so it's working very well. Suppose I can add 123456, same thing 123456, 123456, and I just click on the update passwords, so you can see password successfully updated, means it is working very well. Let's make buttons bigger. So just you can open the spec element, and here is there like style. So you can check what is the best way, like 180, sorry 180. So it's good. Just you can make width is equal to 180. Change password and we can make it width is equal to 180 and just save. And let's go back again, refresh the page. So we have already done like a change password. It's a very simple logic. Just you can add a 3 column here and 3 column again. So you need to check some logics here. You can see it here like user gets single. After you can check old password and database password is matching. So it's going to inside. After we can match like password and confirm password is matching. So it's going to inside in update. Otherwise always going to else part and fire the whatever error there. This is the errors. So I hope you are clear. So means user panel is done like a dashboard, order, change password, everything done. Okay, let's go to back again, edit, and I just click on change password. I click again change password, so it's working. Not working very well. I think something error there. So let's sort out this error. Okay, let's go to layouts, users, inside sidebar, and here's any spacing there. This region, okay, because URL inside I have made up wrong. Active class, this is the reason. I think I am creating video this time you see, but how you can say this is the reasons. Okay, so like this into put. Let's go back again, refresh the page here, and here you can see change password. So it's working very well. Just here error there we have a solve. Okay, so next video we can work inside a logo, means that the slider, and like all things we can sort out now home page and other things you know me know is done. And also we can do it like this, like a banner. Suppose customer need to change and sign up, like this he need to do, so he can do it inside. And he also here provide like a coupon code as a admin, right? So we can sort out one by one. So do you have any question about like edit password, means the update password, otherwise change password, whatever you can say in your side? So please comment out. And do you want to like this video? So please like. And do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching Error Solution.